In this video, you will learn how to create a QR code in Google Chrome. The purpose of creating the QR code is that instead of sending a link to someone for a particular website, you can just share that QR code and they can scan that QR code and it will automatically open that link. So the technique to create the QR code for any particular link is that you need to open that link within the Google Chrome, and once that link is open, you need to click somewhere within the address bar, and once you have clicked that, you will see this option of share button, share this page. You just need to click that, and from the drop down menu you should see the QR code. As in my case, it is here. I can just click that and I will see this QR code and the link which is attached to this QR code. You can just download this QR code, and this QR code is now available with me. So anybody who scans this QR code with the help of their mobile phone camera, they will automatically go to the page for the link for which this QR code is created. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.